I was rushing to finish a project when I noticed a tiny mistake in my report. If I hadn't caught it, it could have caused a huge problem later. Luckily, I acted quickly. I averted the mistake before anyone even noticed. That small action reminded me just how powerful one word can be. Avert. The word is avert, which means to prevent something bad or unwanted from happening. When you avert something, you take action before trouble hits, like dodging a problem or stopping a mistake in its tracks. It's about being proactive, aware, and prepared. Think about avoiding a car accident by slowing down just in time, stopping an argument before it escalates, or noticing a financial error before it costs you money. That's the power of Avert in everyday life. Here's how you can use Avert in everyday sentences. She averted a crisis by speaking up early. I double-check everything to avert mistakes. He averted disaster by acting quickly. They took steps to avert conflict in the office. We try to avert misunderstandings by being clear. Next time you spot a problem early or prevent a mistake, remember the word avert. Use it in conversation. Notice it in stories, or even in your own life. And you'll see how one small word can make a huge difference. Hit like, subscribe, and share for more storytelling words that make learning English fun.